They say strength is measured by the size of fists, by muscles' bulk, by the speed, by decibels of roars. They say your limits are written by fate. When power fades, when gravity mocks your dreams. We've been whispered limits with every fall we take. This far, no further. We know that voice, deeper than our own heartbeat. So why struggle? Because what burns in here still believes in something beyond fate, outlives the pain, stronger than the impact. Smaller frame, bigger force. Go beyond broken. Go beyond enough. Go beyond their damned limits. Unbreakable power, born from within. The ultra power that ignites itself. Beyond the norm. Ultra Redefined.